आर्थिक समीक्षा प्रस्तुत किए जाने के पश्चात उसकी प्रतियां मेंबर पोर्टल के माध्यम से उपलब्ध करा दी जाएगी। सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले पत्र आइटम नंबर 3 श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy each of the following papers, both in Hindi and English versions. Economic Survey 23-24, Economic Survey 23-24, Statistical Appendix.
आइटम नंबर 4 माननीय सदस्यगण, हम पर्यावरण के प्रति चिंतित हैं, इसलिए कागज बचाना हम सबका। ओके।
बैठ जाओ, आप बैठ जाओ।
चलिए, आप मुझे चेंबर में सुझाव दे देना, ठीक है ना। आइटम नंबर 4 श्री जयंत चौधरी जी।
अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपके अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 4 में मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेजों को सभा पटल पे रखता हूं।
एक और विषय बता दूं, मैं थोड़ी जानकारी दी जाए। माननीय सदस्य ने सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले पत्रों जब बीच में टिप्पणी नहीं करते, आपको सुझाव देना दे दें, आपके सुझाव को उचित होगा तो माना जाएगा। ओके, आपके सुझाव, आप सीनियर हैं, आपके सुझाव को हमें ध्यान में। आइटम नंबर 5 श्री पंकज चौधरी जी।
मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने मत संख्या 5 पर वर्णित कागजात आपकी अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
आइटम नंबर 6 श्री कीर्तिवर्धन सिंह।
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers related to Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's list of business.
आइटम नंबर 7 श्री सुकांत मजूमदार।
आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 7 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेजों को मैं सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
आइटम नंबर 8 श्री मनसुख मांडविया जी।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to move the following motions. That is, pursuant of the section 3(2)(b) of the Building and Other Construction Workers Regulation of the Employment and Conditions of Service Act 1996, read with rules 11(2)(b) of the Building and Other Construction Workers Regulations of Employment and Conditions of Service Central Rules 1998, the members of this House to proceed to elect in such manner as the Speaker may direct 2 members from amongst themselves to serve as members of the Central Building and Other Construction Workers Advisory Committee, subject to the other provisions of said Act and the rules and thereunder.
प्रश्न ये कि माननीय मंत्री जी द्वारा प्रस्तुत प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया जाए। जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हुआ। शून्यकाल अविलंब लोक मत के क्वेश्चन श्री ई.बी. डन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1।
सर,
क्वेश्चन नहीं, शून्यकाल में नंबर 1।
थैंक यू सर बोला सर, थैंक यू सर बोला सर। Sir, even though the matter was raised today in the question hour, I would like to draw the attention of the House to the most important matter, that is regarding the NEET examinations which happened, not just the NEET examinations, all competitive examinations which the country is carefully looking upon. Sir, the motto of the Government of India, the Education Department, in the new education policy 2020 is to educate, encourage and enlighten. Sir, in the recent years, India has witnessed a troubling rise in the competitive exam paper leaks, undermining the integrity and credibility of the education and the recruitment systems. Sir, as per the government data, a total of 70% government data, 70 examination papers have been leaked in the last 7 years, sir, 7 years, across 15 states, raising the integrity of these competitive exams in the country. Sir, states like Tamil Nadu, many other regional parties have raised the concern about the integrity of these examinations, and they want these competitive exams to be cancelled.
Okay.
And a mechanism. Sir, अभी शुरू किया सर. Sir, ballot में मिला है सर. Sir, just continue करना दो.
हाँ तो बैलेट में
Sir, 24 lakhs, 6,079 students wrote the NEET examination. So the NTA on June 4th, 2024 faced widespread allegations of irregularities and paper leaks.
Same, sir.
Sir, notably with 67 top-ranking candidates scoring 99.99 percentile, including 6 from a single examination center in Haryana, sir. Sir, who owns these centers in Haryana? Sir, in Gujarat, the National Testing Agency had selected a school in Gotra as an examination center, despite of the fact that the Gujarat High Court has imposed a fine of 35 lakhs on the organization that runs these schools. So what credibility does these examinations have, sir? The Gujarat schools, Haryana schools are all under scrutiny, sir. Sir, I am concluding. Sir, I am concluding. Sir, this is one of the biggest scams the country has seen. The country has to constitute a high-level fact-finding committee.
Sri Abdul Samad Samdani. देखिए, आप सुनो, इसमें सर्वोच्च न्यायालय जांच कर रहा है, सीबीआई जांच कर रही है, केंद्र बिल लेकर आ गई है, सारे विषयों पर सब चीजें हो चुकी है। फिर आप क्यों विषय को पूरे देश के जो अपना सिस्टम इतना बेहतर है कि दुनिया के अंदर भारत का एजुकेशन सिस्टम और हमारी परीक्षा प्रणाली दुनिया में सबसे बेहतर है, आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? नो क्वेश्चन डॉक्टर एसपी अब्दुल समद शामी.
Sir, through you and this August House, I draw the attention of the government to the alarming issue of an increase in sea turbulence, causing serious coastal erosion along the Arabian Sea coast in Kerala. Sir, it is a very serious phenomenon which deserves urgent attention and very powerful and effective measures of solution. Sir, the serious phenomenon has resulted in the loss of several meters of shoreline in places like Palapatti, Ajmer Nagar, Veliyangod, etc. And also, sir, protection measures are highly needed, urgently needed in various other places including Tannitura, Pattumuri, and Padiñarekara, near Kotai, Munangadi, Kodaparambu, Kashmir Beach, Ashanpadi, and sir, Vadikal, Pallivalappu, Vakadi, Adakadapuram, Paravanna, Kutai, Pudiyagadapuram, Anjudi, Chiranagadapuram, Tuval Tiram, Chapapadi, Alingal Beach, Saddam Beach, all these areas, sir, which belonging to my constituency, Pannani. Sir, this threatens the livelihoods of fishermen, as fishing and other local businesses have been adversely affected, along with the infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and public utilities. Sir, this problem affects Kerala's entire Arabian Sea coast. I urge upon the government to do the needful to conduct an authentic and scientific study involving experts in oceanography and